In my hands, I have one of the very first Apple Vision Pros to make its way to Canada. Let's unbox it together. As part of the process of ordering an Apple Vision Pro, you use your iPhone to do a face scan to make sure that the device that ships to you matches the shape of your face. More on that in a sec, but let's take our first look at this. There is a protective cover that you'll see on the outside of the device. Let's take off this little sleeping mask and get a better look at the Apple Vision Pro. The soft part that rests against your face is called the light seal, and it's magnetically connected to the frame. The separate, darker gray part is a cushion that is shaped for your face, and that's why you had to do the face scan before ordering to make sure that everything fits its very best. There's an extra seal cushion in the box, and you mainly control Vision Pro with your eyes, voice, and hands, but there are 2 physical buttons for controlling certain functions. Inside of the box, you also find product documentation and manuals, which are fancier than usual. There's also a polishing cloth, which was a nice surprise. You'll find a second dual band strap in case that's a little bit more comfy for you when you're wearing your Apple Vision Pro. The battery for the Apple Vision Pro is supposed to last like 2.5 hours, but it comes with everything you need to keep it charged, including a power brick, which usually you don't find included in boxes very often anymore. If you are pretty excited about Apple Vision Pro but not sure if you're ready to order one yet, you can always book a demo at the Apple Store closest to you so that they can show you how it all works. It is something that you have to experience to fully understand. That was my quick unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and let me know what questions you have at this point about the Apple Vision Pro.